Hello everyone, welcome back to Earners Empire. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make money on YouTube. That is, I'm just going to cover the minimum requirements to make money from YouTube. That is, monetize the minimum requirements to monetize a YouTube channel, and what were the previous requirements in the previous years, and what are the current requirements in the year 2024, and how it may change. And I'm also be going to give out few strategies which will help you to monetize a YouTube channel. So if you just follow all of these strategies, max to max, you'll be able to monetize your channel within 4 months. The strategies were really tested on my previous two channels, and as you can see, I have my channel monetized, and it just took me 4 months. And right now, I'm earning about. If I upload a video, I would get more revenue, and then if I did not upload a video, I just get about $2 a day. I'm just going to show you guys everything in detail. So make sure to watch this video until the end. So first of all, in order to earn money from YouTube, you would have to, uh, you know, agree to the terms and conditions and join the YouTube Partner Program. So in the YouTube Partner Program, they provide you a lot of important features such as earning money from shorts, videos, super thanks, YouTube Premium, memberships, etc. So what are the minimum eligibility to sign up to the YouTube Partner Program? If you just want to earn from things such as super chats, YouTube shopping, channel membership, YouTube brand content, and super thanks, you would have to reach the minimum mark of 500 subscribers with 3 public uploads in the last 90 days and either 3,000 valid public hours in the last 12 months or 3 million public shorts views in the last 90 days. But our revenue is going to be more higher with the ad revenue and YouTube Premium. So in order to earn money from ad revenue and YouTube Premium, you would need to unlock even more things. That is, it had to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months in the long video format, or 10 million public shorts views in the last 90 days. So what are the benefits of being in the YouTube part-time program? Well, this is something you'd already known. That is, you get the features such as copyright strike tool, one-on-one direct interaction if you have any problem with the YouTube members, and a lot more. Well, you can just go take a look at it in this page. I'll just leave this articles page in the description and the first comment, so make sure to go take a look at it. Now, if we're just going to take a look at the strategies on which we could earn a lot more from YouTube, well, one of the most important things you need to consider is the type of video format which you're going to upload. That is, if I'm just going to show you the proofs, the revenue share between the long form videos and shorts is going to differ a lot. It means that in the long form videos, you get to keep 55% of the money which you make, and 45% goes to YouTube as their royalty or something. And in the shorts form, you get paid only 45% of your revenue, and 55% goes to YouTube. So what I'm coming to say is that in the shorts form, you earn a lot less compared to the long video format. So your main goal must be to drive your audience to the long video format. As you can see the live proofs here, in my long video format, I have earned $45.2. Meanwhile, in my shorts, I have only earned $0.08. Yes, absolutely. You may ask that my channel mainly focuses on the long video format, so there are a lot of long video format videos. So that's the main reason for the huge difference in revenue. But still, if you ask me, I get about $2.5 as CPM in my long video format. CPM refers to the cost per milli, that is the amount of money you get paid for every 1,000 views. I get $2.5 to $3 in my long video format views, and in the shorts I get only about 0.1 to 0.6 for 1,000 views. So just take a look at the huge difference in revenue. It's because in shorts, advertisements only comes, let's say, every 3 shorts once you get an advertisement. So that one single advertisement revenue is going to be shared with all of the three previous shots. But in long video format, you make users watch more of your the advertisements. Let's say users watch about 2 to 3 advertisements in your long video format. So that's the reason you get paid more in your long video format. So make sure to focus more on uploading long video formats. But shorts can be very useful. In the shorts video format, with the shorts video format, you can bring a lot of subscribers to your channel and you can navigate your viewers from shorts to long videos. So after monetization, I would recommend you guys to upload both videos and shorts. But before monetization, just focus on a single thing, that is either shorts or videos. That will help you a lot. Now, if you're just going to move on to the next strategy, that is going to be, well, there are some strategies such as YouTube video uploading schedule, which will make you, which will help trigger the YouTube algorithms and make you promote your YouTube channel. So if you want to learn more about the YouTube video uploading strategies, then there is this video I have uploaded in my channel, and this video's link will be given in the description in the first comment. So please go take a look at it. And if I'm just going to give you guys one more secret tip, it is not a secret tip, but it is one of the most important factors which you must consider to make your YouTube channel successful. That is consistency. If you're just uploading 2 videos a week, just consistently upload 2 videos a week. The more number of videos you upload in the starting and the consistency which you maintain will help you grow your channel a lot more, because YouTube tends to recommend channels which are consistent in uploading videos. So that's it for today's video. I hope it is helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, then just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button in order to receive more updates from my channel. It's me, Surya Prakash from Ernest Sampia, signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.